Um, for these,
Yeah, for build I need the credit one. Like for I didn't find the return ID Excel sheet on the file you provided me.
okay, give me a sec. Oh, wait. Okay, you're looking for the credit for these.
Yeah, yeah, the credit one, credit
Okay,
memo.
909633682. Okay, cool. That's it. Okay. Um, for this one,
Mm-hmm.
that okay, it has been created. Wait. Let me just look at. Okay, yeah. I'll send you an email of the crime memos that are used for this one.
Okay.
But I sent you guys a check for bill.com. Were you guys able to receive it?
Yeah, receive it.
Okay. And were you guys able to get it complete?
No, we didn't. We didn't. I was going to working on it, but I did not find the credit. But like the return audit, if I share my screen,
Okay. Give me
like
a
this
sec.
one,
Okay, just send.
this one I didn't find on mm, find on the folder, so I sent you an email regarding this one. So
Okay, I just sent the crime memo there. And to you, you don't need to like go back to these things.
mm-hmm.
Because here, let's pull it back up. Let's go into. Oh, jeez, sorry. Just had a weird thing going on with my ears. Okay, so for that one, let's go into QB import folder and the Udo invoice crime memo import template. Go into January 1st and January 2026 crime memo import. Yeah, still there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm here. I
Okay, yeah.
was finding the folder. Okay, UP import, then build,
Yeah, in the Udo
dealer.
invoice. No, go
Udo
back.
invoice.
Yeah, like, no, go back to the folder. Go to QB imports. Go to Udo invoice credit memo template. Go into January 2026 credit memo import all the way on the top. Go to imports. Okay, you see that build that right there?
Mm-hmm.
Click on that. Those are all the credit memos for that Excel that you sent me.
Okay.
Yeah, we put them all in there, like just to do a quick refresher. If we go back to dealers, build, aging report, 2026.
Build. Build. Mm-hmm. Then this one I have to pull up.
Yeah, let's first pull up the 2026-1-20.
This one.
Not the prep one. Okay, yeah, pull up the prep one, but pull up the other one as well.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the one that you sent a screenshot to me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is what Bill.com's cram memos look like. We get them prepped in like the prep Excel. So if you pull
Okay.
up the other Excel that we just opened,
This one.
no, the other one. It says like, yeah, that one right there where it has prep in parentheses.
Mm-hmm.
That is taking all the data that they send us, putting it into that template, and then taking all of these credit memos and putting them into our own templates. So basically, it's like a 3-step process. You download the file, you transfer it to another file, this prep one, and then you take that and you put it in our credit memo template. So the one that we just opened up a while ago.
Mm-hmm. Like this one. Or
the Excel file. Okay, yeah, credit memo import.
hmm?
Yeah, so as you can see, these are the numbers that are there. So basically, it's okay if you just hover over the Excel logo that's on your start screen and your start bar. To the left and right. Like, hovering it over, like on the start bar, hover over it because, yeah, that would just show us like all the things. So basically, you go to the one, you start on the one from the right.
This
Then
one. This one.
yeah, like we start off with that. We take that data, we put it in the one in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
We format it to get the product number, the invoice number, the pricing all together because as we can see from the top, there are two invoices that are two entries out of the same invoice. Sorry, there are two entries out of the same invoice. We need to like split the pricing up because Odoo wants we can only get credit memos imported into Odoo if they're individual. Like we just can't put multiple different items on there. And then once that's all formatted, we then put it in our credit memo import file right there. And then we just get the credit memo made, imported, and extract those credit memo numbers. And then we just wait until Bill.com issues a credit memo. Hey, well, we got to get those things made into PDFs. But then we got to just wait until Bill.com sends us a check that uses those credit memos. But the credit memos will be on the check, so you don't need the Excel file. Does that make sense? And does that answer the question?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I have a question regarding this one. Like here you can see in the prep Excel sheet, select all and get rid of all borders. I get rid of all borders. Then you told me to in the Excel sheet we got the email. Excel sheet we got from the email. Select the data from B to column B. But in email I didn't find this.
You didn't find that. Oh, the email that I sent you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, that was the check. So scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
This is when Bill sends you a check for credit memos. There are two different checks. There's the check for credit memos, then there's the email for... Let me start over. There are two different emails. There's the email for credit memos. There's the email for checks, and they
Okay,
are done
like
on very
these
separate
two
days.
types.
Yeah, those two types.
Mm-hmm.
I sent you the one on the bottom. So let's just scroll down. Keep going down. Going down. Okay. Just want to make sure. Let's just scroll down a little slowly. Select all print invoice. Okay, yeah, keep going. Okay, here you go. This is where you start
So for
for
this
payment.
check, I have to start from here.
Yeah, when you're paying, you start from there. That one, the top half,
Mm-hmm.
the top portion, those are all for credit memos. Scroll up a little bit. Okay, here we go. It says now you do the payment check.
Oh,
Download the
okay.
Excel file from the email.
Oh, okay. So I was going to start from the fast, so that's why I was like I was in confusion that where is that one?
Yeah.
Okay, then I will work from here. No worries, I will complete it and
Yeah.
send it to you for the review. No worries.
Okay.
And
Yeah, I just prefer doing like the credit memos first. It was just an
Mhm.
easy template for the notes.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, no worries. So we can working on the we can start working on the Overstock one.
Yep. Let's do Overstock.
Yeah.
It will be not difficult.
We have to go to payment summary.
Yep. Payment summary.
Then these are the payment dates. Before downloading, we have to make sure up to which month we already covered. Am I right?
Can you repeat that one more time?
Before downloading the payment, we have to ensure up to which month we already completed the
Yes,
importing.
that is correct. I did up to March, but let's
Okay.
just make sure.
Overstock payments 2026. Yeah, March. Up to March 3/11/2026.
Okay, so then we can start in February.
After this, you already completed. Now
All right,
I have to
we can
work.
start on April. We can start on April. So yeah, I
Okay, yeah.
completed those. Now we start on April 1st. We'll do that
Okay.
as a template.
Mhm.
I like as a starter.
Okay. Now click is downloaded. Is it okay?
Yep, this is all good.
Do you have credit memo on it or? Oh yeah, we have.
Yep, there we go. First cost.
Mhm.
Oh, here, let me look at these notes. Yeah, let's go over some template real quick. because this is going to be a bit different than what we used to.
Mm-hmm. First, I'm going to open the credit import. Credit memo import.
Yeah.
Then go to download. I'll leave the data here.
Okay.
Then select column F and move it over column O. Then there are some other little over column Q. Is it okay? Like these percentages?
Yeah. It's all good because we're going to go over
Column
over this stuff.
and same size. Which was already up to date.
Okay.
And up to then we have to go to invoice. We will give invoices. This one is also up to date. We go to details, then I think these three is our credit memo. Am I right?
Yep. Those are our three current memos, but how about we go to payment summary and let's just go over some things real quick.
Here is the payment summary.
Yes. Okay, so let's just walk over this real quick. So on the top area that says sales and total sales, these are all like the $19,803.60. That is going to be all our invoices together.
Okay.
And then Overstock has all these other fees that get made. The first cost are our credit memos. So, like, that's what our credit memos from invoices are going to be. Everything else, the return-related customer service costs, the supplier to customer shipping, those are going to be credit memos that we have to make manually.
Oh, okay.
So let's continue on. Let's get the first cost created. Okay.
We have to invoice number, select the invoice number, and move it over column C. Right here. Oh, we have to move it over here on the credit memo part.
Credit memo part.
On the template tab.
Yeah.
Okay.
Always putting it on the template tab.
Before that, we need the check number. So, this one. Okay, now we need the PO number. For that, we have to use this one, 1st of April, this one.
Yeah, but make sure it's like set up in the way we want it, like for
this.
Yeah, format like that.
Okay, for 1st of April. The PO numbers. Move it over column B. The SKU item.
The part numbers.
For quantity, so like these three from column J.
Mm-hmm. Doing good.
We have to select the amount from L.
Yep.
May I mark them? Because it was some like this. It will be helpful for me to work on the credit.
Can you repeat that one more time? Mike was kind of cutting
Uh,
out.
can I mark them as a color so this way it will help me to work
Yeah,
on the credit memo?
that's what I do. Like, just mark them down so you know, like, you done it.
Yes.
It makes
Yes.
it easier to copy all the invoice numbers.
Now we have to move it over column J. Uh, is it okay?
Mm-hmm. Everything's good. Wait. Make.
Make
Do we?
them negative?
Um, give me a sec. Yeah, we want to make negative, like we always do. I believe. Um,
These are
yeah, yeah,
already
yeah.
negative.
Yeah, they're negative, but we want them to be negative in column G and the amount, and we want them positive in column K.
Here.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And just positive in column K.
Is it okay? I think.
Yep, that's all good now. Make sure the check number is in column J.
Yeah. And on the column J. Yeah, this is the check number. For shipping, there is no shipping amount.
Yeah, there's no shipping. We just get rid of it. Like if you can look at the notes at page. Whoops, what was the page? Page 11 of 19. You will see that nothing gets put in shipping.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I found it. Overstock, then column D, template date. In column K, you wrote that the formula minus G2 into I2. Okay. Oh, now we're good to go to import.
Yeah, now
Or we have,
we're ready to import these. Just make sure the check number is correct.
okay. Yeah. 455385. 455385.
Okay.
This one is for May. Mm,
Um, April.
April. Mm, Up to this is okay. Am I right? Do we need to check for the like dispute in here? Like
We
whether
already did the
for
template. We already did the template, and when we put it in template, it already checks for disputes. As you can see, there is nothing saying column L has a different price. Nothing in column B says used to be a credit memo or a prior credit memo. Nothing in column N shows that there's a multiple on there, and no red highlights. So
okay.
it's all good.
Now we are going to import it on the Odoo.
Nope, we're ready to import into Odoo.
Can we move back? I think we need to move the
Oh,
data to the value
Yeah.
format to the input credit
Oh,
tab.
wait. Yeah, okay, go back. Let's see what we got. Go back to the thing. Let's get this canceled. Copy that credit memo number. Just the credit memo number. Mm-hmm. Search it up.
yes, cancel.
Yep, get it canceled.
Do I need to put any log notes?
Yeah, put a long note just saying got created by accident.
So let's just be careful when we're doing this to make sure we're uploading it correctly. Because sometimes that one might have been, but sometimes if there's an error, it might be hard to fix the error. That one wasn't that too much to fix, but let's be careful.
Yeah.
Oh, sure. No worries. Okay.
Because if we make an error, depending on what the error is, sometimes it can be hard to fix the error. So, okay, thanks.
Okay.
Now we are going to make those other credit memos manually.
Yes. So now let's pull it back up. Okay. So you're gonna take, like I showed on page 11, what we got to do. Copy like the description and column A's. Copy like other return. Yeah, copy those things. Put them in for our PO number and our invoice number. And now, yep. You can save that one for last, but now put the price in. Oh, you can save those things for last.
Okay.
We got like a lot to put in. Well, we got quite a bit to put in.
These prices.
Yep. Copy the prices.
We don't.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And now we continue. Wait, let's. Okay, yeah, you could do that. We got more to put in, though. So go back to that Excel sheet. Okay, now you're going to put in the adjustments, and you're going to put in the supplier Oasis fee.
And the below here.
Yes. And PO and invoice. I'm going to do the pricing.
Okay. This got created.
Yep. Okay, now that we have all those, we should be good.
Now we are going to create those on manually on Zen.
Yes, we will be creating these things manually. Also, put the positive amounts and net total.
don't do start creating it.
But also, I want to make sure, like, double check. Do want to just do a comparison? Okay. Oops. Yep. Yep. We should be all good. We could also like check the totals, highlight all of that. Our total is $2,846.50.
Yeah, 50 cents.
Now let's go back to the Overstock Excel and just highlight those negative amounts. Those three to highlight that.
2,846.50.
We're good.
Yeah. Just we have to just start creating or
Yep. Now we just create. So we go to credit memos. We can look up a prior one if you want a good idea of what they're supposed to look like.
then should I go for prior one?
We don't need to do that. We don't need to do. Okay, so go to Overstock. Mm-hmm.
First, that's should I put just others here or
Yeah, this is what I always do. You put others in customer, PO number, and reference. But for reference, I like to follow by putting in the check number behind. As you can see, like on page 1219. Yeah.
Yeah.
That way, it's just easier to keep track.
Okay, like this.
Mm-hmm. Don't forget your invoice date. Make sure the invoice date is the date of when it's got issued.
4/1/2026.
Mm-hmm. And now we're going to use Overstock sales discount as our item number. There we go. It will go to the correct GL account. Get rid of the dollar sign. And the thing that... Okay, there we go. Good. Now it's ready to be created. And post it. There we go. Just copy the credit memo number. Put it in there, and you just got to do the same for the rest of them.
Okay.
I will be right back. I need to use the restroom.
Okay, no worries.
Oh, hey Hunter, just a quick question. Are all of those? Do we know the accounts for all of those? Are they?
For each one of them?
Mm-hmm, are they all sales? No.
Yeah, they're all sales discounts.
Are they all are sales discount? The
Yeah.
return one also?
Yep, every single one of them is sales discount. If you take return for and copy that number and copy with that return related base, go to Excel. No, go to Udo. Go to Udo. Yeah, credit notes. We're gonna search it up.
Oh.
Every single one of these will be using the same invoice number because these in QuickBooks all went to the same thing, the sales discounts. That's
Okay.
how it's always been labeled. So this is going to be labeled like that as well.
Okay, sure. I
Okay,
will
thank you.
create this.
Okay.
Thank you so
So
Okay,
much.
thank you.
I'll be right back. So yeah, just keep doing that like you did before. You can even use this thing, like make a
Duplicate.
duplicate. Yeah,
Duplicate.
you
Yeah.
could duplicate if you want to be a little easier, or
Mm-hmm.
well, I mean, if you just want to make sure, like just follow that same template, just action, duplicate, make sure
Change the
you are,
invoice date and the amount.
yeah, change the invoice date, the amount, and always make sure that the check number is attached and the reference, because this is just a good like way to keep track of it and system.
Mm-hmm.
So we know, like, hey, what does this one get applied to? We got to apply to this one, and yeah. Okay.
Okay, sure. No worries.
Yeah.
Understood.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Good. So, any difficulties?
Yeah, just forgot to change the date. Okay, all are created on Zen.
Awesome. Now that's done, we can get the invoice and the check fully created.
Okay, now we're going to the payment. Open the payment is input sample.
Mhm.
So Overstock, there is no. We just start from
Nope,
here,
we're just
am I
going to
right?
put it in test formula. We don't need to put that date anything else. But we need to
We
put
need
the home.
this
The,
open
yeah,
invoices. Okay, okay.
mm-hmm.
হ্যাঁ নয়ন ভাই একটা রং চা একটু কুইক।
These are also updated. All are updated.
Mhm.
Check this one.
রং চিনি কমা।
Now we go back to the Overstock Excel. No, the other one.
When these are numbers.
Yep, that's where we're going to get them. Yeah, anything that says cells.
Those are our order numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. The PO numbers are, these are our PO numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to put the date.
Put it in with the dash included.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Now, I mean, yeah, keep it like that. Like, however the PO number has it, however the PO number is labeled in Odoo. No, in the Excel, we got to keep it like that.
Yeah. In Odoo, we have -1 with our PO numbers, all Overstock PO numbers. So that's why we put -1 on the Excel sheet also.
Oh, got it.
Okay. Good job.
To the gross amount, I guess so.
Yep, put in the gross amount. Mm-hmm. And there is no shipping, so we got to get rid of that adjustment. And just put it in there.
And also put it here.
Mm-hmm. And that's the correct check number that's up there. Yeah,
Yeah.
seems like it. Now, as you can see with these items, how there are two things, and all these things labeled red.
Mm-hmm. Now we are going to put
That
our...
is, yeah, but wait, let's go back up to these. Let's just identify them just to make sure. These
Okay.
are more than likely saying, like, I mean, these are just saying they are showing up multiple and the item isn't exactly matching. That's because Odoo Overstock is separating by each item number.
Yeah.
So as we can see, like on the side, everything matches up. I think it would be just a good idea to make sure that everything, it looks like it's matching.
Yeah, it's matching.
Yeah. So it should all be good, but it's always good to like double check with the system.
Yeah, sure. So this one. One more and 298. This one is okay.
Okay.
Mhm. Didn't 51.60, 89, and 42.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one is also okay. And now the last two. $8.99 and 249. Yeah, these two also match. The last one. $449, $419. 449, 419. Yeah, it's all
Okay.
matched. Now we are going to move our credit memos.
Mm-hmm.
For PO, we are copying, we are select all these. Am I right?
Yep.
Going to make the net total. Yeah, these all are good. This one. Yeah. Our total amount is this, like 19,000.
Our whole total amount is the $16,957.10.
Okay.
Check total. So we got to make sure that our check total matches.
Okay. $16,957.10.
There we go.
Okay.
And it's all good to go, and it's ready to be imported.
Yeah. So, click check.
Okay. Get that check number in there. Oh no, OMG. Well, it doesn't really matter. I put it in column I. But yeah, it doesn't really matter where you put it. So now that you see that these things in column K, they are like no cells corresponding, we got to make those manually. I was just going to ask, are you able to hear me?
Tarun bhai, you are muted.
Okay. Okay, we are doing it one by one.
Wait, am I
Am I
muted?
right? No, I'm muted. Sorry
Okay.
for that.
Yeah. I just
Okay,
want to make sure because of last time. Yeah. Now we got to make them one by one.
Okay.
So now that we see where those things are, like, yeah, we just copy the square memos and we just got to make them manually imported.
I have a question. If we assign the check number to the reference to others and check number to the Excel sheet, it will automatically grab the value or not?
Not really. Like, it's because we got these memos and these memos created manually.
We have
It's
to create
not.
them manually.
Yeah, we gotta create them manually.
Okay.
Oh wait, we don't even label them as checks. We could just have them as manual.
There is a check number for
Yeah,
that.
there's a check number, but well, I mean,
Well,
what?
usually we do it right this way. Like when we have a check number, then we put the check.
Okay, I mean, either way works.
Yeah. I have a question.
What's up?
Why don't we have one credit memo for all of these?
Because I want. If we go back to the Excel thing,
Mm-hmm.
and go to, yeah, you can see these are all their individual lines. It is best that we keep them individual so we know what they're related to.
Oh, okay.
Like, we want to know, like, this is just in case we need to do book tracking, and if we have everything all clumped together, then we're not going to know. I mean, I guess one thing we could do is we can make it into one Excel thing, but with each part number, we have like others and returns, supply and supplier to customer, shipping costs in the descriptions.
Mm-hmm. You can do it.
But I mean, yeah, we could do it that way. But there's also like we got to make sure we have the PO number associated with it. I just prefer making them their individuals. That
Okay.
way, it's just more easy to identify, so we know like this is what other went to, this is where total adjustments went to, the market
Mhm.
allowance 3.32%.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, all are imported on Zen.
Well, there we go.
Yeah.
That is Overstock.
one is important.
Mm-hmm.
I need to close the application.
Okay, the process is completed.
Awesome. Any other questions?
For mine, there is none. I understood the steps. No worries. We can work on them.
Same here.
Cool.
And for mine, we already updated the Home Depot up to April. The Home Depot payments for April are already up to dated, and for Wayfair, we already completed up to March. Am I right, Shamin?
Yeah. One bill are pending for checking and it's completed up to March.
Okay. And for Lowe's, I will take over Lowe's April tomorrow, and it will take 2 or 3 days to import all April bill payments on Odoo. No worries.
Okay.
Should I dive into the April Wayfair?
Yes, sure, you can do it.
Okay.
Can I get a status on house?
For house, we don't have any orders from January up to this. There is no new orders, but the 2025 payments are already up to date. I checked the house payments, so it's already up to date. But there is no new orders in 2026, so I think we don't have any payment because they have some issue with their portal.
Wait, Hunter, can I get an update on house?
Yeah, like the website still isn't working. And from what I was seeing, like those were old payments that we just took care of.
Okay, so
I'm gonna look over it again, but
so the payments that Summit sent over, they were all for. No, there were some for 2026. There was some for January and February for 2026.
Okay, after this, I'm gonna go over those and see what I can get made. It's just, it sucks that whole house website just isn't working.
Right, it isn't. So in the meantime, we're getting the payments through email from Summit.
Okay, then have him send them to me directly, and I'll get them taken care of. Okay, and I'll go look over these ones to see if there's any 2026 that need to be made, and I'll try and get them made.
Okay, sounds good. So yeah, there was a couple in January and a couple in February. Not many, but there was some. Do we want to train on that, or how do you want to go about that?
Let's wait until House has it all together on their website.
Yeah. No, I don't know how long that's gonna take. Yeah. So
Okay, then.
I don't think we can wait that long. Okay. I don't know how long that's going to take on their end.
I mean, I could be doing it. House is not a difficult thing to do. But, I guess we could go over it next week. If it's still, there, if we still have something.
Okay, sure, no worries.
Okay.
Yeah, I really don't know. I don't know, the status of house, how they're working, how feasible it is to train over this when it's just emails. So, I mean, we could try. I can go over it, and then next week I could try and run you guys through it if we have something. But I do think with like how easy it is to do house, if it's still the same as it was, even with these emails, then yeah, it'll be possible for you guys to do training, or I just handle house from here on out.
Okay, you just want to. Okay, so 100. You just want to handle house until they get the website going. Do you want?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like,
Okay, sounds
I
good.
will.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay.
Yeah, that way it's just once the website's up, then it'll be easier to train.
Okay. Okay. We can do it that way. Okay. So I don't know when their website might be up, but it might be a while. So
Yeah,
okay.
this is not going to be that difficult for me.
It sounds good. So in the meantime, we'll just get the emails and you'll just process it, Hunter. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Just
Sounds
send them
good.
directly to my email account, like Hunter at Ravati.
Okay.
So I'm going to go look over these right now, and I'll just try and get them. I'll see what I can do.
Okay, sure.
Okay,
All right,
sure.
thank you.
Okay, well, I guess that's it. You guys take care. I'm going to hang up now.
Take care, you too.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
আরেকটা মিটিং এ জয়েন করছি নেক্সট উইকে আমরা আরেকটা মিটিং করতেছি তাহলে আমরা ক্রিয়েট করে রাখি পরে আপনি একটা মেসেজ দিয়ে দিই আমাদেরকে যে আমরা ওয়ার্কিং অন ইট চলতেছে না ওটা তো চলবে কোনটা যেটা আছে ওটা রেকর্ডিং হলো না হ্যাঁ 11 ইয়েস 18 তারিখে ইয়েস it is until I stop